Hey, Princess the Bear here, and we're at another resort tour
Coronado.
for Coronado. So we haven't been here in a while. The place has been under construction. As you can see here in the background, they are working on a little bridge and a restaurant. But we're gonna take a look around, see where things at, and I don't know, have a discussion about a thing or two.
Yeah.
All right, so we'll see you soon.
Be sure to subscribe. What? You're right, we didn't do that in the last place. We probably should have. Cheetos. Paint your Mexican market.
Who's painting stuff now?
You know, it's funny because people ask for this stuff. Where's all the drawing and stuff? When there's no festival of the arts, when can I do painting and art? Maybe Disney's learned that
They want it
there's
everywhere?
a need for that. Yeah.
It doesn't make sense to me. It's just like, I don't like that one. I'm like, it's exactly the same as the other one. Maybe a little bit more colorful, actually. It looks more like the classic Disneyland one, which I think you'd be all over, but no.
I just feel like I don't like the idea of them repurposing those interchangeable bows into actual ears.
But you're like, oh, I gotta have the Jasmine one.
Yes. All the jasmine things. All the jasmine.
At least there'll be a quicker way across this lake from now on.
Oh, they're doing it on both sides.
Yes, so you, instead of having to walk, remember we stayed over
Yeah,
there.
I remember.
We had to walk all,
the way
no,
around.
now we're gonna be able to cut right through. And it works because they have like this bridge. So it's like bridge country. Oh, fancy picture.
Ooh.
Tree. Discover, explore. Are they gonna do a lantern festival out
Ooh, I
here?
like those couches. Ooh, how fun would that be if there was a lantern festival out here?
Yes, looks all fancy. Everybody's in
I
a
like
business suit?
this.
What is this?
The gondolas aren't coming here, are they?
I don't
No.
think so.
No.
Construction wise isn't bad either compared to some of those other resorts.
Yeah.
But I guess they've finished most of the heavy stuff now. This will be another DVC tower. No balconies.
I'm excited to see what those little designy squiggly line thingies are gonna end up being.
Probably just squiggly line thingies.
Oh, they'll have like some lights or something magical.
They already got lights on the top.
That's like gonna be that's the restaurant up there.
I mean, it'll probably make this place more lively at night. So there's an actual like,
Stuff to do.
you know, there's like a bar out here. Because like before, they closed down the Ritz or whatever it was before.
Yes.
And then,
Pepper market. Right here.
but you had to walk all the way across to get a drink. And then back to your room. Because the pool bar would close.
Yeah,
So
because
just-
the pool would close.
There'd just be nothing to do. So now you'll have an actual bar in the middle. And then you can walk back to your building's pool. I think they repainted this bridge.
They did. I think they repainted the entire place, honestly.
Like the clever ways that Disney's finding to keep people out of the water around here.
Yeah, they're doing a really good job of that. Like, really good job.
Not only are we going to put in ropes and signs, we're going to put in shrubbery that you can't get through.
Mm-hmm.
But you really got to try. here's like a nice renovated area. We have the dig site, which so all this stuff is in the pool. Really?
Yeah. Yeah, you didn't get to hang out in the pool like I did. The pool is the ish. This is the reason why you stay at Coronado is for the pool.
Where was I?
It's not that you were sleeping. It's not the largest pool. And then we have like a Aztec pyramid for like a waterfall. It's like super baller.
There's an arcade here, or is it just the bar?
No. So the bar over here and then
I felt misled. I thought it was an arcade here. I'm like, what? An arcade with the pool view?
it's an arcade close by.
Is it that building?
Yeah, it's a dog gotcha. Sit down there.
But the king of dogs.
Oh, yeah.
So we did all the ABCs.
It'd be cool if we had to slide down the actual pyramid. It is. I think that's how you initially convinced me to stay here, and then I didn't come to the pool.
This is the whole reason why I got you to look last time. The last time we stayed here, the arcade was closed. It was under construction for refurbishment.
See, nope, as a kid, I would not be playing on this playground.
Wait.
Nope.
Look at the spider.
Nope.
You see the spider?
Nope, I don't see
Look at the
anything.
spider.
I don't see anything at all. Nope. Just pretend that didn't exist. It's quite enough.
Pretty cool though.
Yeah. Well, Aztec head.
Got nice little like parent benches.
Hey, parent benches are important.
Parent benches on either side, and they got chairs too. You can just go over.
What does it need a spider? Seriously?
Because it's like
No. No.
all Maya-y and cool.
No.
And that's like a slide.
And the run-of-the-mill Disney arcade.
It's so small.
This thing's a real arcade.
There's some of the hotels have an impressive arcade. This just isn't one of them. The volleyball is just out. I can't wait to eat here now.
Gonna be
Now
the
that I know
spot.
where it is. Oh, and the dock will be all around. That's cool. Yeah, I wonder if you can see the fireworks from over here. People are gonna like gather around the dock.
Look, you should be able to see Epcot. There's Everest right there. Remember they said that on top of this new tower here, you'll be able to see the fireworks from 2 or 3 different parks? Probably Hollywood and Epcot.
That would make the most sense.
I do remember this place is a nice peaceful walk at night.
Yes. It's very quiet.
Well, at night. Probably not quiet now.
No, not with all the construction.
But I think all they really needed here at night to make it whole was some sort of outside bar. And I think that new restaurant will accomplish that pretty easily, in fact.
Little like gazebo thing.
I wonder if we'll start doing like fishing here and stuff, like when they finish all this.
I think that they let you. I think they have like because there's. I know Port Orleans they let you. Fort Wilderness they let you. I would think they could here. This is like a small village. This resort.
It's small, but it's big.
Right. It's a very weird combination, and it's like the least Disney-fied of all of the hotels.
Well, there's more. The buildings have more floors, and it's a lot more compact. I guess it feels like it's starting to really look like a small Hispanic city.
It really does. So what if there's not that much Mickey? If the immersion and the environment is still there.
With ears.
Ooh. Those look freshly painted too. Somehow I feel like everything was repainted to match the new DVC building.
Like a shade darker.
Yeah, like these
Couple
all used
shades
to be
darker.
bright colors. Like there was a blue section and a green section and like an orange section, and now it's all the same like tan uniform. Like they're almost trying to mesh the two hotels into one.
We're doing a good job.
They are. Aesthetically, I like it.
You're gonna have the Tower of Kings, and then the Rooms of Peasants. But either way.
I like this tree here. Yellow.
That's sort of random.
Now this is where you want to be staying. Casitas Building 1 or 2.